I've got a few tomato plants and they're still in pots. I've left them in here a little bit longer than I normally would, and you can see they're a little tall. This one's not too bad, but definitely that one. So I think it's time we got these now into other greenhouse, because there's nothing in that at the moment. So I'll crack on and get that sorted. But first I've got to dig it over and get the weeds out. Very dry in this greenhouse. Now I'll get a good rake. So now we've done that, we'll get some of these in. These are moneymaker tomatoes, by the way. And when we plant these, I'm going to plant them a little bit deeper, because the odd one's getting a bit tall now, and that's going to help a lot. Root system's not too bad on these, so there's no problem there. And you can see how much deeper I've just planted that. And we'll firm it in as well. And then on to the next one. And we're spacing them about 18 inches apart. So in nice and deep like that, filling all around it, firm it right in. A little bit of winding out roots, but nothing major. Then across the back at greenhouse, we're going to put in a couple of cucumber plants, and these are Beth Alpha, and they're a really good size, so let's get those in as well. Now we'll add some fish blood and bone. I'm just going to put it around base of plants. And now we'll just get them watered in. And they want a really good watering since it was so dry in here. So we've got those in. 6 money makers and 3 Beth Alpha cucumbers. Another greenhouse sorted out. And it needed doing because it's starting to get quite late in the season now, for me personally, so I need to get everything in so I can see some produce. And as I've always said since the beginning, if you get your tomato plants and they grow tall like this, don't worry about it. Just bury them right down to there when you plant them. It won't hurt your plant. It will force it to grow more roots from that stem, and then this will start to thicken up as it grows. So problem solved. Anyway, thanks very much for watching that video, and if you want to see more videos, because we've still got quite a few more things that we're going to be doing through summer and into autumn. So if you're interested in seeing that sort of thing, then just hit the subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next video. You all take care. Thank you.